Dale. You locked it. Turn it the other way.
Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited about this video because, as you know, we are staying in an off-the-grid farm here in Blanca, Colorado. For today's video, I'm actually going to show you how to make a coconut tofu curry. This is something, a nice little dinner that we're going to do for our host, our beautiful, beautiful host, Sydney and Meg. This is their place. This has been our home for the past 5 days. It's been beautiful to stay in there, to see the sunrise, to see the sunset, to see the moonrise, and to be surrounded by so many animals. We love animals. This is, the Miami Animal Rescue Ranch. So that's why it's a tofu coconut curry. Because it's vegetarian, because it's sustainable, because it's love. Love to all the animals on this planet, Let's go ahead and let's not delay this anymore because we're hungry. You're hungry. I know you are, Jingle. So here we have the ingredients that you'll need for the coconut tofu curry. Have some peanut butter here for the sauce, lemon, peppers, green onion, garlic, cilantro, purple onion. It can be white yellow onion as well. Sesame oil, curry powder, turmeric, salt, pepper, paprika, red crushed pepper, obviously coconut milk, and our special friend tofu. And the jasmine rice as well. You're gonna be like, so good, so good. Bon appetit. So the first thing that you should do is prep the tofu. Okay, this is too hard to like.
Yeah, I always slice it. Drain it.
Yeah, I drain the tofu. And then since I want it to have that sort of like hard consistency, like meat-like consistency, then what I do is I wrap it up in a paper towel. Actually, first step is always wash your hands before you touch any food. So then I wrap it to get that hard consistency because it's so like watery.
Because if not, it gets all soggy, right? And
Yeah,
it's all
just
soft.
like
I don't want like soft meat.
Is that like extra firm tofu?
Yeah. And then we just gotta drain the water. So then I wrap it in like a little cloth like this too. And then I'm gonna find something to press it down, which I think it'll be this little basket of. I always use something that's already in the kitchen. The other step is to make the rice first, since the rice takes a while.
So our dear friend Sydney,
You want to wash out the rice first, probably, right?
Yeah.
our wonderful host.
It should be enough, right?
I think that's plenty.
So 1 cup, 1 big cup. Then we're gonna get started on the rice since it does take a little longer as well. Put it into the pot that you're gonna be cooking it in and give it a little rinse. After you've done this, add 1.5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to your liking.
Look who's here. Hey, Mocha.
Oh, that's Mocha? I thought it was Django. So now you're gonna cut up your veggies, make sure you wash all of them, and you're gonna cut up your peppers in long string-like cuts. You're gonna add it to a pan where you're gonna cook all your veggies. Next, you're gonna cut your onions, cut them thinly as well, and add that to the pan. And last, you are going to cut your garlic into tiny little pieces. And once you have that, add the sesame oil onto the pan and put it on medium heat to start simmering. Now this is the time where you can add your turmeric, your curry powder, your pepper. I usually don't have exact measurements for this because I like to explore in the kitchen and I like to taste. But I will put some measurements here from the recommended recipe. Get your tofu and cut it up into tiny little pieces. After you've cut it up, get another pan, put olive oil in there and start simmering the tofu as well. You'll know when the tofu is cooked when it starts to look crispy, but it is obviously up to your liking as well. Now we're going to let the veggies simmer a little longer, and in the meantime we're going to cut the green onions and the cilantro. Also cut this to your liking as well, or to the amount of people that you're cooking for. Next, after you've let the veggies simmer, you're going to add the coconut milk and you're going to let that boil. More curry. Now you're gonna let that simmer for a little longer, and in the meantime you'll make the peanut butter sauce, which will give it the little cherry on top. You're gonna add 2 lemons to this, a tablespoon of maple syrup, sesame oil, salt and pepper, and then you're gonna mix that together until the liquid goes away. And once your tofu is crispy, you're gonna add that to the vegetables with the coconut milk sauteing or boiling, and you're gonna mix it all together until it boils for a few minutes longer. And that's it. That was literally it, a quick and easy recipe. Now what you're gonna do is serve it. Grab a little cup or a little container, fill it up with rice, put it on your plate. Take a big spoon, get your tofu coconut curry, put it on top of the rice. Put the garnish of the cilantro and the green onion on top, and then a tablespoon of peanut butter on top, and there you have it. A quick and easy recipe. With this recipe, you'll forget that you ever ate animals. You'll be so far advanced that you will look back at your meat eating days and question why, when it's so possible to make such delicious meals with plant protein. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please let me know if you've tried this before, and if you do make this recipe, let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be happy to answer, and tag me in any pictures if you make this. I would love to see your plate.
I'm not complaining.
Come back for next time. Bye. I love you.